So hey, instead of staying home, I thought, why not come to downtown Detroit, see what's poppin'? And there's actually some African Fest happening. So let's go check it out, shall we?
God bless everybody.
Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
How are you?
Good.
Good. You got 24 tickets for the old meal. With a lovely African flavor.
Killmonger is 100% Wakandan. He's not half African American. This was a different storyline.
This manya, Ines is manya manya. Oh yeah, me nandi walanya. Nandi kalanya.
Say that I had a really good time here so far. Lots of music, lots of wonderful, beautiful dancing, just celebration of the African culture, the African American diaspora, and just so many things, even some Caribbean stuff here as well. Just a lot of fun. I think it's going on tomorrow as well, so if you get a chance, definitely come on down to Detroit or come over to Detroit, wherever you're from, and check it out. The Black Panther lecture was awesome. I feel more woke than ever. Just a lot of fun and just seeing my people out here. That was my day, and I hope you all had a great day too. Peace out.
As for my people, children are their oppressors, and women rule over them. Oh, my people.
He said, oh, my people. Notice what the Most High says.
They which lead thee cause thee to err.
You see that?
And destroy the way of thy path.
Notice that. So when Mr. Willie Lynch in 1712 put this program down for all the slave masters, they was going out of their way to destroy our paths. Give me Jeremiah 16:16. Because at the end of the day, these Europeans understand who we are.